Hello everyone, I'm Sherlyn Sandhu of class 5C. I study in Sepon Middle School, Ludhiana. This is my Google Slides advanced certification. So here I go. What I needed to do was to create a Google slide presentation with minimum 10 slides. In the first slide, list the name of any two of your favorite stories and exit option. On selecting any one story, it should show the story in a very presentable way. On selecting second option, it should show the second story in a very presentable way. The story should be presented with images, videos if available, and content should be well formatted. At the end, it can redirect to the first slide from which the student can select another story. If he selects exit option, it should show the thank you slide. Share the slide presentation with one of your friends. Features you must use are applying theme or templates in presentation, add headers and footers in master slide for your presentation, apply formatting to the content, add images, shapes, videos and links, transitions and animations, and share feature. So this is my presentation on my two of my favorite storybooks, which are Five Go Adventuring Again and Five Go Off in a Caravan. So as you can see, I've inserted two images by clicking on Insert Image and then Upload from Computer. You can also search it from the web or from Google Drive, Photos by URL, or clicking a snapshot from camera. Then I've also added a heading by clicking on text box, and then I have changed the text color to blue, then font size to 36 and the font to lobster. Then I've also added an image of exit, and then I've again put a text box over here. Then for the second slide, I've added the bulleted list by clicking on more, then going on bulleted list. You can also insert it by clicking Control Shift and 8. Then I've also inserted an image for my first storybook. Then for going on the next one, I first I have added on shapes, then I went to callouts and I've chosen this one, which is horizontal scroll. After that, I right clicked over here and then clicked on link, and then you can choose it from here. Like I chose from slide 3. You can also edit the link from here, like going slide 3, apply. You can also change it to any other slide. Then for my third slide, it is about Five Go Adventuring Again. I have added the book, what is the book about, and then I've added a heading. Then I've again clicked over here. I click over here, continue reading. And after that, it will take me to the fourth slide, which is about the second part of it, Five Go Adventuring Again. Then I've also inserted a link to watch the movie by clicking on, I clicked on insert, then I went to new tab and then I searched the movie and then I copy paste the link over here. So when we click over here, it takes us to the link. After that, I've clicked on back to first slide, so it will take me over here, and then I can click on my second storybook, which is Five Go Off in a Caravan. Then I click on slide 6 and it will take me over here. Then I've written the characters in Five Go Off in a Caravan. I've again added the bulleted list. Then I've added an image and then again written continue reading. After that, my next slide, which is about the famous five go off in a caravan. The book, what is the book about? Then I've added an image and then I click on continue reading. I've added a paragraph. After that, I again added an image and then clicked on continue reading. Then after that, I've also added a video, as you can see, of the movie. How I will tell you. I first clicked on insert, then video, and then I searched the movie over here. You can also copy paste the URL and then click on select, and then the movie appears over here. After that, I click on back to first slide and then click on exit, then last slide, and this is my thank you slide. Now we will tell you how did I add the transitions and animations. First I go on transition for adding the transitions. Then I go click on no transition, and then you can choose whichever transition you want from here. After we've done it, we click on cross. Then our transition is added. Then for adding the animation, we click or select any object, then right click it, and then the option animate comes. Then we can add an animation. Then we can suppose I've done fade in. You can also do any, for example, fly in from left. After we've done it, we click on cross, and now I will show you how my final presentation. My first book, continue reading, continue reading, continue reading, and back to first slide. Now my second book, continue reading, continue reading, again continue reading, and this is my video, and then back to first slide. Now I will click on exit, and this is my last slide of thank you. Now I click on exit. Now I will tell you how do we share it. First I click on share, then you can share it to anyone. I will enter the name or email address. And then I click on send. So I've sent it. So it will tell you I've shared it with one person. So this was my Google Slides Advanced certification. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.